I'm going to show you how to clear the oil percentage on this Honda Odyssey. So to start with, you turn the key to the on position. You're going to see where it says service due soon. Press the info button until you get to the screen to where you can see the mileage. And you press this button, you cycle through, you're going to see trip A, trip B. When you get to the oil percentage, press and hold it for about 10 seconds. Now this will come up. You can turn this here to go from reset or cancel. You're gonna wanna hit reset and you'll see there that it's at 100%. Cycle the key off and back on. Now when you start it, you will no longer see the message and the oil percentage will be 100%.